Hello everyone, we are working on odd times this month, so make sure you're in tune. We're getting started. This song is going to be kind of mixing the elements of the Police and Tool. Tool does a lot of cool odd times, and the Police also do odd times, but Police also do some really cool like melodic structures in their chords. So I'm borrowing from Every Breath You Take. Those chords, and then I'm also borrowing the 7/8 time signature from Tool. So what we're going to learn today is we're going to learn the structure of the roots, and then we're also going to be working on the way that we're just going to count this. So we're going to be using the A power chord. So I'm going to be on E5 and A7. But I can also add D7 to get that thickness in there. And then we're going to be using F sharp power chord. So E2, A4, and D4. Then we're going to be going to the D power chord. So that's going to be E10, A12, and D12 if you want to add all three. Then we're going to be using the B power chord, E7, A9, D9. So those are going to be the four power chords that we're going to be using, and we got like two sections. Now, the way we're going to count this song is going to be in 7/8. Tempo's around 138, and the way we're going to count these odd times is we're going to use simple meter like 1 and 2 and then we're going to interject a triplet in there. So one of the easiest hacks you can use for time signature and doing odd times is actually using simple, complex, and that complex would be a triplet. So if you want to do 7/8, you get 4 natural even eighth notes and then interject a triplet in there. What's 4 plus 3? 7. So we do 4 eighth notes and then 3 a triplet of eighth notes, and you get 7/8. So we're going to count that 1 and 2 and triple it, 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 and you'll get your 7/8. We got our A power chord. We're going to go 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. Now let's add another hit on the downbeat. 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. And then if we wanted to do it a little bit more involved, we would use the eighth notes. Put a palm mute, take that hand, put it across your bridge to where it starts to muffle the strings, and you get this. 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. Now the way I'm going to do that triplet is more likely just down, up, down. So I've got that 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. And that gets me that odd time sound. So I've got 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. And I go to the F sharp, 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. And we're going to do that 4 times in a row. Then we're going to go to the next section. That's where the D is. We're going to do 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. Then we go to the B power chord. 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it. And then we do it again. 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it, and 2 and triple it. And then we go back to the original. Now, if we put that up to snuff with the actual tempo at 138, 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple it, 1 and 2 and triple you get that kind of sound. Keep it really simple. Simple, simple, complex. When we actually start working on the riff next week, we're going to be using that simple, simple, complex. So next week, we're going to be dealing with major scale, string skipping, triads, and we're going to be adding in this time signature. So we're going to be able to come out of those positions to play this stuff. So be ready for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, get better with us. Check out cwtucker.com if you want to get the tabs for this lesson. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon.